obviously my mantra has always been, working hard. No matter what the challenges comes on my way, I always try to work hard. And now, in this World Championship, I lost in the quarterfinals against seeding number 1 boxer from Turkey. So obviously no regrets, because I know my preparations was not that up to the mark. But I'm satisfied with my performance. So, World Championship every year comes, so I don't want to be disappointed and feel sad about it. So no worries, I'll come back stronger, I'll work hard, and there is another World Cup happening in November in India, is hosting that. So obviously I'm looking forward to that, and I'll keep working hard, and I'll keep continue to make our country proud. I know the journey won't be easy for me till 2028. Challenges will be coming on my way, but I am, I have gone through a lot, so I don't think so. The challenges which will come on my way will stop me to push myself harder. So obviously, I am ready to face every challenge which is coming on my way. And I know that it won't be easy. So yeah, I'm excited, and my only goal is to win Olympic medal in LA. Yeah. Obviously, I have to, keep myself confident, because Paris has gone. Now, my next target is LA. So obviously, I want to focus on each competition which is coming on my way. So currently I'm focusing on LA. Now this World Championship has gone. So now I want to focus on the competition which is happening in November in India. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much.